Good morning students. Today we see about the method of polymerization. There are two types of polymerization techniques are possible. One is the homogeneous type, another one is heterogeneous type. In homogeneous, they are classified into two types, the mass and solution polymerization. The heterogeneous are classified into emulsion and suspension polymerization. The use of initiator and monomer uh, phases, the two types are classified. First we see the homogeneous type. First one is bulk polymerization. In this bulk polymerization, the monomer and initiator are dissolved together in the absence of the solvent, so it is known as the bulk polymerization or mass polymerization or block polymerization. The initiator is first dissolved in the monomer. The chain transfer agent is also dissolved in the monomer itself. The chain transfer agent is used to control the molecular weight of the polymer. The whole mixture is therefore in homogeneous phase. The reaction mass is heated and exposed to the radiation source for initiating the polymerization, and it is kept in agitation for proper mass. So the agitation is continuously agitate to give the proper mass of the polymer is obtained. In this polymerization technique, the viscosity of the medium is increased, so the stirring is very difficult. As a result, the broad molecular weight polymer is obtained in the mass polymerization technique. Example, the production of PVC and styrene from this polymerization technique. The advantages of this bulk polymerization techniques are the processing is very simple and it gives the purest form of the product. It gives the largest possible yield per reactor volume. Then the disadvantages of this bulk polymerization techniques are the monomer removal is very difficult. Then the heat removal is also difficult to control. The molecular weight distribution is also difficult to control. The mass of the reaction become very viscous, so it is difficult to stir. Next we see about the solution polymerization method. In this process is also known as the solvent polymerization technique. In mass polymerization, without the use of the solvent, the polymerization is take place. But in solution polymerization technique, we use the solvent in the presence of monomer and initiator. In this technique, the inert solvent like saturated